Think through your day while making your way to work. Few of us will readily admit that large parts of our working day are wasted. The only way for us to make better use of our time is to analyze how we use it now, and then to reallocate it in a more effective way. Always delegate tasks which are not time effective for you to do. There are always competing demands on your time. It is very easy to spend too much time on routine things, such as reading email, at the expense of high-priority, productive tasks. How do you divide up your day at the moment? Do you prioritize your work so that you tackle important and urgent projects first? Or do you concentrate on completing enjoyable tasks first? Are you distracted by phone calls, or do you have a system for dealing with them? Do you waste a lot of time? It is a sobering exercise to calculate exactly how much your time costs, and then realize how much of it is not being spent effectively. Work out how much your time at work costs, per hour per minute, and then use these figures to analyze the relative cost of a few activities typical of your day. Such as arranging a meeting yourself rather than asking your assistant to undertake that task. Always consider whether you should delegate tasks to others. It is generally more cost-effective to give routine tasks to more junior staff rather than doing them yourself, since your cost to company will be higher. Keep a time log. Split your working day into chunks of 30 minutes each. Maintaining a daily log of how much time you spend on particular activities is fundamental to managing your time more effectively. You may be surprised how much time you spend chatting, and how little time you spend working and planning. Your time log provides you with a starting point from which you can assess areas to improve. How long you should keep a time log for is dependent on the nature of your work. If you work on a monthly cycle, keep the log for a couple of months. If your work cycle is weekly, a 2 or 3 week log should suffice. Review your time log to assess your work efficiency. To analyze your time log, allocate all of the 30-minute time chunks that you have recorded into categories according to the nature of each task and calculate the amount of time spent on each type of task, such as meetings, reading and replying to email, helping colleagues, or making phone calls. Now calculate the percentage of your time spent on each task. This will give you a better picture of your working day and will enable you to assess how you can allocate your time more effectively. Allow for some thinking time in your schedule. Break down tasks. Look to the categories into which you have allocated your tasks and divide them into groups. Routine tasks, for example, writing a regular report. Ongoing projects, for example, organizing a meeting. And tasks that would further develop your job, for example, making new contacts. Work out the percentage of time spent on each group. Estimate how long a task will take your time, and see how accurate you were. To be most effective in your job, you should spend about 60% of your time on planning and development, 25% on ongoing project tasks, add only 15% on routine tasks and projects. In fact, most people allocate their time in exactly the opposite proportions, that is, 60% on routine tasks, 25% on ongoing projects, and 15% on planning and development. Look for patterns. Update your time log as often as possible. Now that you have established how your time is being allocated, ask yourself if this breakdown meets your expectation of your working day. Are you spending too much time on routine tasks, rather than concentrating on important planning and development tasks and jobs? Look at the distribution of these tasks throughout your working day. Are there times when you are very busy and other times when you are slack? If so, try to find ways to reorganize your working day so that you are able to work more consistently and efficiently and achieve more. Let's look at questions you should ask yourself. Do I do work that should be done by someone else? Are there patterns that repeat themselves in my time log? Am I always involved in routine tasks in the morning? Do jobs usually take longer than I expect them to? Do I have enough time to be creative and innovative? Estimate efficiency. How close is your work pattern close to the 60% on planning and development, 25% on ongoing projects, and 15% of time on the routine tasks? If you find yourself spending too much time on one group of tasks to the detriment of others, work on how you can reorganize your daily schedule so that your time is distributed more efficiently. For example, if you find you are spending time on tasks that could easily be done by a junior, delegate them. This way you can concentrate your energies on the areas in which you are not spending enough time. Review your use of time. Once you have analyzed your use of time, there are several time-saving strategies you can implement immediately. 1. Make a list of things to do, and update it several times a day. 2. Look on your time log at wasted time, and think of ways to fill those time slots more constructively in the future. If you find you have long-term problems, try changing your work patterns more radically. 3. Pinpoint all the work patterns you are unhappy with. In particular, look for any bad habits you have slipped into. 4. Once you have identified these problem areas, set aside time to rethink and improve your approach.